Hey again! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make... Shut up, Siri. Hey again! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY slime because it's fun to play with and unfortunately not to eat. This is actually my first time making it, so if this goes wrong, you got to see me fail. And this is actually an idea I got from a friend, so when I saw her do it, I wanted to try it too. Let's get on with the video. So what you'll need is borax, Elmer's school glue, 5/8 of a cup of water, measuring spoons, plastic cup in a bowl, and a spoon or popsicle stick, just something to mix with. And if you want to make your slime colorful, you can use glitter, food dye, or even both. What you do first is add your 2 to 5 ounce paper cup with water, and you mix it with 1 tablespoon of borax, and I put the water from the paper cup in here. What you do next is put the Elmer's school glue in your paper cup until the cup is filled up with glue about 1 inch high, which is where I put this black mark right here. And then, once that's done, you add 3 tablespoons of water to the glue. You stir. After your glue concoction is stirred, you can add your glitter, food coloring, or both. Which one should I use? You know what, I'm going to use these 3. This white one, this pink one, and this baby blue one. Go ahead and stir that up well. This is where the bowl comes in. You add your glue mixture and your borax solution, and you mix it in this bowl. When you add the borax solution, you add only 1 tablespoon of it. So now I'm gonna mix this together. It's looking like slime, a little bit. You know what, I'm gonna go add some food dye. I'm gonna use some red over here. Whoa. Maybe I should have added just silver sparkles because it looks kind of weird looking, but it's starting to look like slime. More like throw up. Okay, an accident actually happened with the other one, so I made another thing of slime. Look how it turned out, it looks good. Nice and pink and has some sparkles in it, if you can see it. Thanks for watching. This slime isn't as slime-ish as I expected it to be. I can rip it. Look, I can stretch it. When I squeeze it, it looks a little bit like this misshapen brain. If you enjoyed this, like this video, and if you're not already, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. Bye!